Question 19 is lots of writing here. Read through it all, and then it's asking you about the sampling method. So we can read the sampling here. He asks the first 10 students that he sees. So this is no, it's not laziness sampling, it's opportunity sampling. Opportunity is just seeing who happens to be in front of you. We're then looking at this graph here, and really it's an old GCSE question. Describe the correlation. And you can see that these are going up to the right hand side, so there is a strong positive correlation between the resting pulse rate and the pulse rate after exercise. So is Adrian justified in using a linear equation and why? Because it's a line. It really is as simple as that. The points seem to fit a line, so yes, because points fit a line. I mean, if I'd found out the correlation coefficient R, I would expect R to be close to 1. There's that bit there. So interpret the value of 1.36. So this is the gradient of this thing. So the gradient of this thing is for every 1 on the x-axis, so for every 1 up on the resting pulse rate, it is the other one. What's the other one? The after exercise increases by 1.36. Luckily, they're not going to ask us what this 13 here, because of course that would mean, if we go that way, that would mean your pulse rate after exercise if your resting pulse rate was 0, which would be a rather silly question. Explain why it'd not be sensible to use his equation for someone at 45. So 45 would be here, and you'll see that it's outside the data. So for part E, it's outside the range of the data. And there's a posh word for that. The posh word is extrapolation. It means we've gone outside the data that we've got information for. So lots of writing, lots of reading, but not too much maths there.